Here to analyze all that's going on, Ashley Webster, Liz McDonald, Todd Horwitz, and Mike Murphy. Mike, to you first. At 93, is Apple on your buy list?
It's getting there. It's on there. I'd like to see it under 90, but I'll go out on a limb here, Stuart. Apple's not going down forever. It's been down for 8 straight days. There will be buyers coming in. It's a value stock. Maybe it's not a growth stock anymore, but somewhere in the $88 range, it gets very interesting to me.
Todd, all our viewers want to, a lot of people own a piece of Apple, either through a mutual fund or directly themselves. Would you be putting your 2 cents worth in at $93, $94 a share? Would you buy it at this price?
Good morning, Stuart. I would be looking to be a buyer. I like Mike's level of 88, but I certainly would not be ashamed to buy it here. I think it's going to make a bounce. So, yeah, I wouldn't have any problem buying it here as an investor. As a trader, I want to wait for it to come a little lower.
I've got it. 2 other big names. We talk about them a whole lot on this program, Facebook and Amazon. Now, Facebook is near an all-time high. I think it hit 120 last week. And Amazon is up 13% in the last 2 trading sessions. Mike, which one of them would you rather own?
Facebook. I own Facebook. It's my largest holding. I don't own Amazon, but I think Facebook has a lot more growth in front of them with advertising. I think people are realizing that's how to reach the consumer through Facebook. So I think that Facebook's still in the very early innings.
Some people think that Facebook is the next Apple or the next Amazon, that it could just flat out zoom straight up. Could it?
I think it could actually do better because remember, Apple's selling hardware, so you can only get 100% of the phone market. But Facebook now has almost 2 billion people worldwide on their sites, so I think there's a lot more room for Facebook. I've said it on this program.
Yep.
I think it'll be the first $1 trillion company.
First $1 trillion company, says Mike Murphy.
Yes, sir.
May the 3rd, Tuesday, 2016. All right. Check the big board. We're down 109 points as we speak. There's some reasons going on here. The dollar is down. There's reportedly more weakness in China's manufacturers. I'm beginning to think that investors are getting worried about the possibility of a recession in America. Is that, that's just my opinion, is that a factor in the market, Mike?
I don't think it is.
No.
You see slow growth. You don't have great growth, but I don't see anything out there that's showing a recession. I hear Todd yelling from Chicago as he has been, but I still don't see. The Fed is data dependent right now. There's nothing out there that tells me we're in a recession. Earnings could have been better.
Well, going towards it, that's my point.
Well, tough to predict the future. Right now, we're not in a recession. Look at Ford's numbers this morning. I don't see signs of recession. I see, you want to talk about not great growth, I'll give you that, but no recession.
Hold on a second. Todd, I'm going to get you in a second, but I've got General Motors sales numbers. Are they down, Ash?
They are down. They're down year over year 3.5%. So Ford, as we reported earlier, was up overall 4% year over year. But among those Ford numbers, Ford Explorer in April up 22%. SUV sales best ever April. The Ford F-Series up 13%, the best performance in 10 years. So you've got your trucks and your SUVs for Ford doing very well.
And car sales down. And General Motors sales overall down, and GM's at 31. Let's look at McDonald's. May very well be the turnaround story of the year. We have a market watcher. He walks into McDonald's at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Everybody, or he said, half the people in there were eating breakfast. So he wonders, is the all-day breakfast the reason for McDonald's turnaround?
Actually, yes. Today's hours, people work different hours. You get the consumers expect bigger menus, longer hours, and the concept of all-day breakfast. It's been around for a long time, but it really is. It's brought new people into McDonald's, and in fact, I think overall consumers are returning to the fast food chains.
I find it hard to believe.
I would love to take the other side of that because McDonald's all-day breakfast has been a great gimmick for the company, but this is a hamburger company. Their core business is down, and it's not improving. It's not coming back. And I'll give you one. With my kids on Sunday, I said to them in the car, do you want to go to McDonald's? They said, ew, I don't want to go to McDonald's. The kids are not going to McDonald's.
Where do they go?
So they'll go for pizza. Chipotle. They'll go to Chipotle. They will go to Chipotle. They will. They don't want anything to do with
the Are you still going there for your $1.50 coffee on your way to $2 gas to pick up?
53 cents for seniors black coffee to go.
But the
can't beat that.
Are we done with this?
Yes.
I think.
Cue the organ music.
No.
Wait, no, we're not done with this.
We cued it.
We cued it. I'm very sorry, Todd. Get back in later. But you know why we're playing the organ music? Aeropostale. On the verge of bankruptcy, Nicole, is that accurate?
Yeah.